Hi everyone, my name is Anil. I will start our PPT for the project. Our team is Team 1 and our team name is Technograts. I will introduce our team members, roles and responsibilities. And in our team, we have few developers and one Scrum Master and one Visual Learning Engineer and one quality tester. And I and Sindhu and we are taking the responsibilities of developers and Nikhil is taking the responsibility for the Scrum Master, and Sahit, who are taking the roles of quality analysis and tester, and Bharadwaj, who is taking the roles and the responsibilities of machine learning for the user as a requirement. And we are our teams, um, and I will hand over our PPT to Sai Sindhu. She will explain our project, and thank you.
Thank you, Anil. So here is our project. Our project name is COVID-19 Safety Protocol Tracker using Object Detection Model. So, like we all know that in pandemic we all faced many difficulties, and it was like very difficult for all of us to go outside and bring the necessary things as well. So this through this software, like we are going to measure the safety measurement protocols that are necessary to avoid the COVID-19 infection. So like now everything is becoming normal and offices are beginning to open and everybody is coming out, but for the as per the experts advice, like even though like individuals are fully vaccinated, we cannot say like they are fully immune to the disease. So it is always better to practice the safety measurement protocols, and through this software we are going to help to the individuals and also to the hospital management systems and like restaurant management people, or like in which areas people are more people are they have very rush areas and there is a more chances of getting infected. In those areas they can use our software, and they can measure the risk of being infected by the COVID-19. So, like in the scenario, like as mentioned, our main intention should be on following the safety route so that we can get back to our normal routine as quickly as possible. So, in this project, we are going to implement three models. They are face mask detection model and social distancing measurement model and people tracker model. So through this project, we are going to achieve to all these three models. So in the face mask detection model, like face mask detection model is going to detect whether the individual is wearing the face mask or not. And in the social distancing model, it is going to observe the distance between the two people, and it is going to like identify or highlight if people are not maintaining the proper distance between them. And in the people tracker model, suppose in the busy area, like in suppose in a specific amount of area, there are like as per the social distance and measurements, if there are 10 members are allowed but there are like 15 or 20 people are entering that area, then our model can highlight the zone in the red color, and it can detect it can detect the percentage of infection, like the individuals are like probability of individuals are getting affected if they are in that area. So in our project, using some algorithms and machine learning techniques, we are going to implement these three models. Yeah, with this, I'm handing it over to Bharat.
Thank you, Sindhu. So I'm going to continue the project details with the technologies and algorithms that we have used for this project. So the technology and algorithm that we have used for this project are object detection algorithm, machine learning, and the source codes which we're going to write for this project are Python language source code. And the language and tools that we're going to use for this are HTML, JavaScript, DSS, Visual Source Code, Python, etc. And that's it. I'm passing over to Anil. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat. To make this project, we are working as a team, having team meetings weekly twice. Also, we made it possible, like sticking to the team and committing to take tasks and responsibilities about the project and sharing their ideas equally. We all have the capabilities and skills to complete the project in honest in to be honest and straightforward. When it comes to the planning, timelines, staff and budget, be awake and trying to foresee to avoid difficulties, keeping all the team members in a loop, prioritizing the overall success. We treat failures as shared and systemic. We seek to understand first and then offer the feedback of all other teammates. So, okay, Sahit will be explaining the next part. Thank you.
First of all, there are rules for in the rules for team meetings. The first one is participation at our meetings. Will maintain confidentiality, promote honesty and transparency, and value diverse perspectives of our teammates. Provide equal chances for input. Be open to new ideas and focus on how to improve the process instead of blaming people when issues occur. And the next one comes is communication. We'll strive to comprehend before being heard. Be concise and precise. Active listen. Remain focused on the topic at hand and utilize visuals to help with our conversation. The next rule is problem solving. We aim to stimulate active participation from all members, welcoming any and all suggestions without any judgment. We'll work together, leveraging and collective knowledge and wisdom to come up with solutions. When possible, we'll use data to inform our problem solving. It is important to keep in mind that problem solving is a creative process that can lead to new ideas and understandings. And the next role is participation at our and the next role is decision making. We'll strive to base our decisions on the data when possible, source the necessary information, discuss the criteria such as cost, time, and impact for selection and option. Consider an option, consider varied interpretations of data, get input from the whole team prior to making any decision. Address any concerns with the team during the meetings or individually instead of airing them to outsiders in an inappropriate manner, and make sure all team members are in agreement with the decision before it's finalized. And conflict handling, we will approach conflict as a chance to develop and strive to grasp the hopes and needs of each individual beforehand. When figuring out answers or solutions, we will pick the appropriate moment and setting to go over and inspect the conflict. We'll listen to other perspectives with an open mind. We'll make sure to verify understanding of the other person has said and recognize and any valid points they have made. We'll express our own views and interests in a respectful and non-confrontational way. Lastly, we'll attempt to find a mutual understanding in order to come to an agreement. And the next role is meeting procedures. A meeting will start and end at the designated time. Everyone attending should come ready for the meeting at the close of each meeting. Topics for the next one will be discussed, and an idea bank should be used to store any topics that arise that are not a part of the decision. That are not part of the decision, so that are not part of the discussion. There are any unresolved issues, they will be added to the list of the matters to address. If someone is not able to make it, they should send a representative with the authority to decisions to make decisions. Duty for the meeting should be rotated among the members.
Well, thank you, Sahib. Hi, this is Sai Reddy, and my role in this project is Scrum Master. Here is the retrospective. What was good? Each of the team member contributed their ideas and analysis to the project. Team meetings were conducted as per the schedule. Team discussions in the meetings helped to proceed with the task and doubts are able to complete them within the time. We can improve on communication and coordination in the team members can be improved to take up tasks and complete them parallelly. Deadlines for tasks can be followed strictly so that we can avoid last minute surprises in achieving the targets. What we can plan to commit for the next sprint. As mentioned, for better communication, we are going to create a Microsoft team group for the projects and use the project related meetings and discussions. We are going to share meetings of minutes after every meeting so that we can keep track on each and every action. previous team restores can be helpful in improving team performance. And here are our links, the GitHub link as well as the wiki page link. So we have uploaded this video in these two links. And last, thank you. Thank you so much.